In order to preserve our environment, we simply must provide opportunities for people to experience it, to learn about it and to enjoy it, to find that personal connection. Here in the Wollondilly, just 1 hour south of Sydney, we have teams of volunteers working hard to collect information and restore the habitat of one of Australia's most iconic species, the koala. You see, out here between Campbelltown and the Southern Highlands, there is estimated to be up to 2,000 of these beautiful creatures, yet we know very little about them. Right now, our volunteers are helping gather information that is vital to preserve the koala and the bushland it calls home.
I really like being in nature and outdoors, and just found CVA at the local expo of volunteering. Decided to start, and I questioned my fitness because I'd been in a desk job for years, but I was fine, and I just loved it. And the people were fantastic and enthusiastic about wildlife conservation and all that sort of thing. And just to be planting a tree after years at a desk chained to a computer, to be planting a tree was so exhilarating.
It's pretty much like a big long bushwalk, really. And then you have the benefit of finding koalas,
You know, getting out in the open and the different places that we've been to, there's many of them, you know, down south, up north and all over, but some of the people more so that you meet, different ones, different days, and it's all, you know, everyone's pretty happy and glad to be doing what they're doing.
Well, I missed it when they found the frog last week, so be good to find one. That'll be the highlight.
As the regional manager, I create projects for people to come out and help out managing our environment. Essentially, the idea is that we can create experiences for people to come out into the bush to learn a little bit about it and what we do, but also get their hands dirty and do some restoration work.
It's important for environmental reasons as well as social, getting the community involved in issues on the environment, and just some of the social outcomes that it can help people in their own lives to get through challenges that they need to, and just the personal satisfaction they seem to get about coming out to beautiful places like this.
It'll improve your life, and it'll make you feel like you're contributing to the well-being of the planet. So you can't get better than that, really.
I really want to see a frog. That is it. I missed out.